Hey there. Welcome to our new show.
About incredible AI videos.
Where we explore new tools for creators.
Learn to think outside of the box. Or, in our case, a frame.
And bust the myths holding back your video creativity.
Myth number 1. Branding your videos is hard. Except it's not. AI video tools apply your brand colors, logos, and fonts. Just like
This.
And this. Same template, different style every time.
Even your boring report can be rebranded into a video. Just give it a few seconds.
Hello there. Yes, that's me, your boring doc with latest report. Now in a video form and branded. It feels so much better.
With video like this, people are 139% more likely
to remember your brand.
Okay, creators. A good video is a video that ends on time. Try branding your videos today with Synthesia.